Adverbs of place, navigating locations. Adverbs of place play a crucial role in English language as they provide essential information about where an action is taking place. By using these adverbs, we can better describe the location of people, objects, or events. In this tutorial, we will explore different types of adverbs of place and provide numerous examples to help ESL students understand how to use them effectively. One common type of adverb of place is the adverbs that describe location with respect to another location. For example, the book is on the table. The cat is under the bed. The kids are playing outside. These adverbs help us understand the relative positions of objects or people in relation to each other. They give us a clear picture of where things are placed. Another type of adverb of place includes those that describe direction or movement. Examples of such adverbs include: she walked towards the door. The airplane is flying up in the sky. The car is parked just around the corner. These adverbs help us understand the movement or direction in which the action is taking place. They provide context and details about the movement of people or objects. Furthermore, adverbs of place can also describe specific locations or distances. Examples include: the supermarket is nearby, the beach is far away, the restaurant is located downtown. These adverbs help specify the exact location of a place or object, giving us a better understanding of where something is located in relation to us. In conclusion, adverbs of place are essential in English language as they help us describe the location of people, objects, or events in a clear and concise manner. By using these adverbs effectively, ESL students can improve their communication skills and navigate locations with ease. Remember to practice using adverbs of place in sentences to become more proficient in their usage.